Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on the SafeSearch filter in Google Chrome, so you can confidently browse the web without worrying about stumbling onto inappropriate content. Whether you're setting up a computer for kids, protecting your family, or just want more control over what pops up while you're searching, this tutorial will give you step-by-step instructions for locking down your browser with some powerful safety tools built right into Chrome. Alright, let's jump right in together. First things first. Go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. That might sound obvious, but you want to make sure you're starting with Chrome since different browsers have their own ways of managing SafeSearch and filters. If you're already in Chrome, you're one step ahead. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see three little dots stacked vertically. That's the menu button. Give that a click. These dots are how you access all of Chrome's behind-the-scenes settings, and it's a spot you'll revisit anytime you want to tweak something about your browsing experience. Once you open the menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and select that. This takes you into the heart of Chrome's customization controls. If you ever want to adjust anything else later, like passwords or appearance, you'll find it all here. Now, let's guide ourselves to the next destination, privacy and security. This section is super important because it's where Google Chrome bundles all its safety and privacy features. Look for the Privacy and Security tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click it. Don't worry if the page takes a moment to load. It sometimes needs to gather all your options. From here, tap on the Security option. You're probably noticing different features for protecting your data and privacy. The one we want now is Standard Protection. This is Chrome's recommended security level. It blocks known threats and helps you avoid dangerous sites without being too restrictive. If your settings are on anything less than standard, switching ensures that SafeSearch and other filters will work properly. Now, scroll down a bit further until you see a section labeled Use Secure DNS. It might not jump out at first, so take your time. It's usually beneath the main safety recommendations. DNS, in simple terms, is like the phone book of the internet, translating website addresses into the actual servers where sites live. Chrome can use special DNS providers to strengthen your safety. Think of them like extra guards checking each website you visit. Under Use Secure DNS, you'll see an option to choose your DNS provider. Here's where things get interesting. You're going to select a provider called Clean Browsing Family Filter. This filter is designed with families in mind. It automatically blocks adult content, explicit search results, and even certain websites that aren't kid-friendly. It adds a strong extra layer of security so you don't accidentally stumble onto something unwanted. Just select Clean Browsing Family Filter in the drop-down menu. If you don't see it right away, you might need to type it in or check a list of additional providers. Don't stress if this step takes a minute. It's worth it for the peace of mind. And that's it. With these settings in place, you've turned on Google Chrome's SafeSearch filter at a deeper network level. Now, whenever you or your loved ones search online, Chrome will actively filter out unsafe or inappropriate results and help you browse more confidently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave any questions or thoughts down in the comments. I always check, and I love helping out if you run into any snags. Make sure to subscribe for more practical tips like this, and I'll see you in the next video.